2026, and the aviation world is witnessing something extraordinary: the long-awaited emergence of the Mikoyan MiG-41, Russia's next-generation interceptor that promises to redefine air superiority for decades to come. For years, the MiG-41 was shrouded in mystery, existing only in design concepts, rumors, and classified projects under the POC-DP program. But today, it has finally stepped out of the shadows, signaling the dawn of a new era in high-speed, high-altitude interception. Developed as the direct successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, the MiG-41 takes everything that made its predecessor iconic: extreme speed, altitude, and interception capabilities, and pushes it to the absolute limits of technology. This isn't just a modernization, it's a complete reinvention. The MiG-41 represents the cutting edge of Russian aerospace engineering, designed to counter next-generation threats, including hypersonic missiles, stealth aircraft, and even orbital drones. At the heart of the MiG-41's power lies its rumored ability to exceed Mach 4.3. That's over 5,000 km per hour, making it one of the fastest aircraft ever conceived. This speed allows the jet to engage and neutralize threats far before they enter Russian airspace. The MiG-41 isn't meant to dogfight, it's built to intercept, destroy, and disappear. It's a guardian of the stratosphere. To achieve this incredible performance, the MiG-41 is equipped with new-generation composite materials capable of withstanding extreme heat at hypersonic speeds. Its airframe design combines stealth shaping with advanced thermodynamic protection, giving it both low radar visibility and resilience under massive stress. Engineers reportedly incorporated electromagnetic shielding and plasma stealth systems to reduce its radar cross-section even further, making it a near-invisible predator in the upper atmosphere. The cockpit of the MiG-41 is a marvel of next-generation avionics. A fully digital glass cockpit integrates AI-assisted flight systems, adaptive targeting, and automated mission management. Pilots can operate in manned or semi-autonomous modes, and in the future, a fully unmanned variant is expected. This hybrid approach allows the MiG-41 to execute dangerous interception missions without risking human lives, a capability that sets it apart from most modern fighters today. Weaponry is where the MiG-41 truly flexes its potential. It's expected to carry the R-37M long-range hypersonic missiles and the new K-77M for medium-range engagements. There's also speculation about a next-generation missile system capable of hitting targets in near space, potentially satellites or hypersonic glide vehicles. The aircraft's internal weapons bay ensures reduced drag and improved stealth performance during missions. Every aspect of its design screams lethality and precision. Powering this beast are twin next-generation turbo-ramjet hybrid engines, developed to deliver thrust even beyond traditional operational ceilings. These engines allow the MiG-41 to operate effectively at altitudes exceeding 30 km, where only a few aircraft in history have ever flown. At those heights, the MiG-41 becomes a silent shadow, unseen, untouchable, and unstoppable. But what makes the MiG-41 so critical in 2026 isn't just its speed or technology. It's the geopolitical timing. As air defense systems and aerial threats evolve globally, the need for rapid response interceptors has re-emerged. With nations like the United States, China, and Europe developing new stealth bombers, hypersonic missiles, and advanced reconnaissance platforms, Russia needed a countermeasure that could act faster than any threat. The MiG-41 answers that call. It represents a strategic deterrent, a machine built not for show, but for survival in the most hostile air environments. The aircraft's radar and sensor suite are believed to include multi-spectrum detection systems capable of tracking stealth aircraft, hypersonic weapons, and even low-orbit satellites. This means the MiG-41 doesn't just operate in the skies, it dominates the edge of space. Another intriguing aspect is its rumored operational range. Early reports suggest the MiG-41 can cover distances up to 1,500 km without refueling, with an even greater range when paired with aerial tankers. Combined with its blistering speed, this gives it the ability to reach and intercept intruders in mere minutes, a critical advantage in modern air defense. Inside Russia, the MiG-41 is seen as a symbol of technological pride and resilience. After years of speculation, the 2026 prototypes demonstrate what happens when aerospace innovation meets strategic necessity. Test pilots describe its handling as surprisingly stable, given its hypersonic performance range. It's not just a prototype anymore, it's a working concept preparing for limited serial production in the coming years. Some sources indicate that the MiG-41 could even feature a next-gen data link integration system, allowing it to communicate in real time with satellites, air defense networks, and other aircraft like the Su-57 or A-50U early warning systems. This makes it a vital node in Russia's aerial defense web, a hunter guided by an invisible network of information and sensors. Even beyond 2026, the MiG-41's potential